Hey everybody, I'm Blythe Hill with Yaj Events, and I am here today to teach you how to make an easy flower crown. You're first going to start with a wooden floral wire, so it's really easy to manipulate. You can buy some pre-made just base flower crowns online at your local craft store. They're really easy to find. Also floral shears and green floral tape, and I actually have pre-cut a few of those over here. You want to do a couple inches just so it's easy to wrap around the whole wreath. I love to use Italian ruscus. It's a really whimsical, easy greenery to use as a base. And then some hardier flowers. We've got some fuchsia stock in here and some different colored spray roses, which are really great for smaller flowers with a lot of color. But you're gonna start with your Italian ruscus. And the ends are always a little bit thinner, so those are easier to work with. And secure it, keep wrapping. You can do as much or as little as you'd like. I like to leave a little bit more room for flowers, but some people love greenery. And always have a bucket just on the floor just to keep it a little bit cleaner on the table. And just start taping again, and then you'll keep wrapping until you get to the end. I like to start on one end and just build it all the way around. We'll take some of our yellow spray roses. You do want to weave them inside the other flowers just so you don't see all of the stems. You do want to have the flowers really just on top, on the side, not all the way around, because it does need to sit flat on your head. And with this wire, even if it looks like it's a little bit out of the shape of a circle, it's really easy to bend back and to mold for anybody's head. And you can loop the ends to fit a larger head, a smaller head for children. If you get fresh flowers, which really if you go to any local wholesale florist like Horse in Town or even Whole Foods is great. I mean, they could last for a day or two. It also just depends on the flowers that you pick as well. And if you like some of the greenery on the flowers, I recommend keeping that on there too. It gives it a little bit of a lusher look. So flower crowns are really fun just to do with your girlfriends. For baby showers, wedding showers, but they're also really great to work with kids too because they're easy. Now I always do recommend having an adult help because of the scissors and the cutting, and some of the flowers do have thorns, but they really have a good time getting to be creative. I go through and just kind of check if there's any dead spaces or if you want to add a little bit more flowers or color in some area, but it's pretty much done. Ta-da! Very simple and easy. Easy peasy.